Workout maniacs know the importance of protein. Now it's your turn to learn. But first, let's start with the fundamentals. So what is protein exactly? Protein is the body's most important building material. Besides water, it is the most plentiful thing in our bodies. So what does it do for us? Every cell in our body has protein in it. Our hair, nails, skin, eyes, and organs are made from protein. Proteins are made from simpler substances called amino acids. The body takes these amino acids and links them together in very long strings. This is how the body makes all the different proteins it needs to function properly. There are two types of proteins. The first have non-essential amino acids, which the body is able to make on its own. The second have essential amino acids, which the body is not able to make on its own, but we can get from certain foods we eat, such as chicken, eggs, and nuts.
How does protein affect our bodies? Protein is necessary for the building and repair of body tissues. It produces enzymes, hormones, and other substances the body uses. It regulates body processes to achieve homeostasis, such as water balancing, transporting nutrients, and making muscles contract. Protein keeps the body healthy by resisting diseases and helping to produce stamina and energy.
So how do proteins work in muscle? Muscle is mostly protein, and there are proteins in muscle that allow them to contract. Without them, we would be unable to move our muscles. Running, walking, swimming, and flying depend on the rapid contraction of skeletal muscle, while the pumping of the heart depend on the contraction of cardiac and smooth muscle respectively.
Two proteins in the muscle are called actin and myosin, which are responsible for many cell movements. These two proteins are responsible for muscle contraction and are mediated by the sliding motion between them. The actin, represented by the red, acts in unison with the myosin, shown in green, climbing it until the binding of ATP allows the two to separate. Energy is then released and the actin and myosin are able to bind again.
So why drink a protein shake? To get the essential amino acids that I don't eat on a day-to-day basis.
Poor granddad, I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know. For love is blind.